going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on?
I think it's a game.
I gotta know.
And when I put up for your mom and daddy and your grandma gonna say, damn, that's who he is. That's who I am.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Oh, what is good? What is great? Kofi Mafia family. Let's go, Mario. It's your favorite creator, Kofi, and I'm back with another video, back with another vlog. I can't tell you, I can't see, man. The sun is not hitting me no more. I gotta put my camera up. Boom, bingo, there y'all go, man. It's better. I don't know if this is really recording the audio. This is probably my first take. I've been low-key grinding all day, all on this. If y'all can't tell, y'all can see. I've been doing this a lot more often. It's like over Instagram, like day in the live. So it's been pretty good right now. We're gonna go to Target and see if we can get some external drives for my MacBook, because I need to get a little more storage when I do film and edit, stuff like that. But also too, y'all, gotta show y'all something. We going back here. Open this, John. Guess what? We got this mug, bro. These are the sign markers for shadow, and let me tell you all about it real quick. Let me put them down. Okay, y'all, if y'all can't tell, y'all can't see, man. This is the sign markers for shadow, man. This looks crazy as hell. It's gonna go on the front. It's gonna finally complete the wide body look. These new sign markers are crazy as hell. I'm really excited for what do we have in store. So later on this week, we're gonna install it. Ben, hopefully he can get his job done and get it done in the first day. Hopefully he can. He should be able to, man. You're gonna be able to get that job done. And put it on. And I also got like this other scratch on the shadow other side, bro. This happened a long time ago, bro. It's crazy, but I've been trying to just thug it out. This one right here, he's gonna try to fix. But we are low-key gonna see, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, we're gonna see how everything goes. Like sometimes, you know, plans don't always go according to plan. You gotta see the dude just keep on going forward. So that's what we get a lot into. And that's how to, start the vlog off over here. Make sure y'all doing good, man. Mafia family, tapped in with y'all. Do y'all good? You do y'all big ones. So yeah, Mafia family, let's get up out of here. Let me go in there, get what I need to get, and see what I need to see. And do that.
If you wanna train me like an animal, better keep your eye on my every move. There's no need to be so damn cruel. Baby, you got nothing to prove. I know for now I'm not.
Y'all tried it with the meta glasses? Well, I'm about to beat this real quick. Let me find out. Yeah. Look. Bro, look at the mafia. Look at the mafia, bro. We just took a picture. Oh, y'all. That's crazy. There's something about. I'm gonna give me the meta bands. When I do like. Oops, sorry, y'all. I'm gonna get the meta bands when we do car content, like POVs and stuff. So we can get this, another camera, and a 360 in the back. So it's gonna be multiple angles. Y'all can't see me. Excuse my voice, bro. I'm currently still sick. It's OD. Let me get out of here, low key. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I know that's what I'll be doing all day. So like the funny Instagram jumps with the wheels spinning and stuff. This is cool. It's cool. We're gonna go to the next location. I'm thinking about going to Best Buy. I think it's something about Best Buy. Boom. Okay, y'all. That concludes that. So right now we have next moves, next plans. I'm gonna go to this vacuum and wash the car, but vacuum up the car because I already washed the car yesterday. I'm gonna vacuum up Shadow, but I got the wrong SD card, y'all. It's on me. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna stunt. I ain't gonna count, bro. So since I only got like 2-3 minutes, like literally 3 minutes right now, it's telling me. But so I don't know what else the vlog's gonna conclude. I think it's gonna like wrap up this vlogging for now until I get my next SD card, so we'll see what other moves and plans are. But so far, y'all, it's been cool, and let's go on, skip ahead to like future Michael or future Kofi. So I'll see y'all later.
In the city, be back immediately.
Today is the day we finally get a complete Shadows wide body build, bro. I know, like, what do you mean complete the build? I thought it's already a wide body. I thought it's already a wide body. What are you talking about? Yeah, we're adding the side markers today. So if y'all can't tell by the video on the thumbnail, yeah, we're adding the side markers and stuff like that. So welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. Hopefully the Mafia family's doing good, you know what I'm saying? Good swell. If your New Year's doing great as well if you're watching this in the new year. And man, it's finally get Shadows build kind of wrapped up here. I know I got a little more stuff to get handled, but as of so far, it's gonna get the front end look kind of down and pat. So I'm good. Right now, we are on the way to Ben, and you know, Ben loves CV. Yeah, you know, Ben loves CV. So we're on the way to Ben, and see what Ben can do, and hopefully he can fix this. Cause I got a scratch on the right, like the passenger side. It's cool. I ain't gonna lie, fam. It's cool. It's cool. I ain't gonna lie. It's cool, fam. So he's gonna fix that. Hopefully, get everything right. Paint match it, make it look gone, make it disappear, cause I'm not trying to see that John again. So, anyways, y'all. So, hopefully y'all doing good, man. There's no rest of the video, no rest of the vlog, man. Mafia family, I miss y'all. I miss you. Hopefully y'all miss me too. I'm being consistent. I'm uploading. I'm catching my flow. Damn, I'm catching my flow. So hopefully y'all should like the new content coming out. But anyways, y'all. I'll probably see you on the next location. Ready? Okay, anyways, y'all. So I made it to Ben's location. I have Shadow parked up at the place that she was born and got BBO'd at. She got Dr. Miami at. What? But right now, I'm not really waiting for Ben. I'm just gonna drop off the side markers to one of the guys back there. And he's gonna take care of it and handle it. But I just gotta show y'all how crazy Shadow looks right now. It is Dirty Shadow in the chat. Can you get Dirty Shadow in the chat? You get Dirty Shadow in the chat, y'all. Look at Shadow right now. And get a good depiction. Okay, how about now? Yeah, Dirty Shadow in the chat, folks. We got Dirty Shadow, y'all. Dirty Shadow. Anyways, y'all, yeah, let me go ahead, drop it off, then probably go do what I gotta do for the rest of the day, y'all. But man, the build is coming complete. I got a little more stuff I gotta do. I know how to handle the back, so it looks a little more aggressive. But as of so far, it's been pretty good, man. Let me go here, stop yapping, and go on with my day. Look, you might be better now. Somebody else. Let me get out.
Yeah, ignore that little feeling in your gut. You know I treat you good. Yeah, ignore that little feeling in your gut. You know I treat you good. Don't call me no dreamer, this a real bag. She a 10, I can't call her bitch cause I'm gon' feel bad.
Hey man, say that. Hey man, say that. Hey man, say what's good, Mafia family, man. Today's the next day. We dropped our Shadow yesterday.
Oh my god, you see so bad.
Today is the day we get to pick up Shadow in her glory, in her form. Y'all can tell, y'all can see, man. It's another day. Different fit today, you know what I'm saying? Going black, cats on the feet. Finally, man, we got Shadow kind of complete, and I'm lucky to look at it. It looks so nuts. It looks so crazy. Kill was talking about earlier. This looks like it came OUM from factory, from stock, John, and it's like, damn, Kofi, doing this good one, doing this really big one, doing this great one. But y'all can see, y'all can't tell what we really got. We got done. This is the side markers. We just put the side markers on there. And I told dude to try to do a better job for this fender, but they did their best. Now I need to go to the store and get me and wash this joint because it's dirty. So, but they finally fixed the scratch too. That's one thing I was like, dang, I need them to fix real quick. It's the scratch. It was on the passenger side, bro. It was so cut. I needed him to, god damn. No. Shit. Hey. Taking pictures of the property? No, I am not. This is my car. That's a badass car, man. Bro, I appreciate it. I'm not taking pictures of your property and making sure, I see the signs. You all good. We own the property. Huh? We own all this. Oh, yeah. So, oh, okay, yeah. Am I breaking any? Are you taking pictures of? No. This is my car. This literally, yeah, it's just my car. Yeah. I was not. Yeah, I'll take you. I was like, damn, I'm not supposed to take pictures. Yeah, of course. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, I think that's my time to fucking go. That's my fucking time to go.
They only
wanna hear fast cars and Dracos. Pills and pretty girls and fine shit with makeup. And diamonds they make All that shit is ate up. All that shit is made up. Just pray and get your paper.
I said glee, I said glee, I said glee. Great prompt opportunity to start vlogging and showing y'all how the side markers are looking so far in the build. Honestly, it's a pretty good build so far. I'm looking at it right now. It's crazy. Every Monday or some type of Mondays, I do come over here and give shout a little mini detail. But you already know, we're not auto wash, but if y'all know, y'all slow. If you get free vacuum and towels, y'all know. So, but anyways, y'all, this is what I'm talking about. The side markers are finally in. They're just calm. And so far, so great. Please focus up for me. Baby girl, focus up. But anyways, y'all, like I was saying, yeah, I got side markers. I need to add more stuff to it. Next is like the, I'm thinking exhaust tips and putting the fuse in the back. Then it'll be like kind of finally complete. But as of so far, man, it's looking really good. Always make sure you take care of your gifts. Any type of gift, your car, your PC, your shoes, make sure you take care of it, because at the end of the day, you know, God willingly help you get into that position to get that. So make sure you guys take care of your things, man. Make sure your stuff is nice, no matter what you have, because you should be proud about anything you have in life, bro. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go to the second location. I know I need to catch up on my reels, so that's one thing I need to do, bro, is catch up on my reels. But as of so far, y'all, it's been pretty crazy. I've been doing my thing. I've been enjoying life, but on my low seasons, you gotta keep on going, bro. Cause sometimes, you know, I feel like, damn, I'm not where I need to be at, but it all end up in a good place, y'all. But hopefully y'all doing great, Mafia family. Hopefully y'all doing good. More videos are coming out, and enjoy this B-roll.
Running around this world, but I'm still trying to find peace of mind. I won't make it be, so I take care of me and mine. I could beat the odds, hold on, I could reach the stars. I won't be around, I'm laid back, chilling with God. Working on myself, but God said take your time on it. Open up your Bible, don't just sit and run up on it.
Damn, everybody's scared, y'all. What's going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on? What's going on? We must go, we must. Go ahead.
This shit too crazy.
Put Black Beauty, but they said they denied me. I tried to, but you know what that says? What does that say? What does that say? What does that say?
I don't know what it says. It's opportunity. It's opportunity? What's that?
You don't even know.
No, I don't know.
Youngsters don't know nothing.
I don't even know, like, what's that? What's it supposed to mean then? It's cool. I mean, but nothing inferior. That's crazy.
Just for you, I'm gonna turn it off. Wow. Did you figure it out?
I know, yeah, I know nothing.
Put it off for you.
Oh, wait, it's music. Okay, that's
I'm
good.
gonna fall for you. And when I put it off for you, and when I put it off for you, your mom and daddy and your grandma gonna say, damn, that's who he is. That's who I am. Okay? I'm gonna tell you right. I'm gonna tell you who it is. I'll tell you who it is. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you who it is right now.
Shit
Right.
crazy. Go ahead. Speak it.
Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch and massage. Just a big one, diamond dripping off my clock. Give it
It's brick out here, but somehow we made it to the meet. What's good, y'all? What's good, Mafia family? We is on our way. Not even on our way. We was on our making it to our second location. We were supposed to do something else, but made it to the meet. It's brick as hell. I'm trying to see this track hawk real quick though. That's one thing I'm trying to see. But off that jump, go crazy. And this is the track hawk I'm talking about. Shit crazy, fuck. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, I have to get my hood open in this job, bro. Yeah, you know, this is definitely inspo. Okay. Tracks go crazy. You know this? Twin turbo. crazy. I bet that John spit flames, folks.
Look how crazy this John is. Look at it, and the exits on the top, though. The exits on the top go crazy.
JL Flex, this thing shoots flames.
I know it shoot flames. I bet. I'm gonna say like.
We were standing in the road recording it. It came deep from us, shook everybody. Everybody was launching back from the road.
I did not know about it. What was this? You said what me?
This morning.
What? 12:30. So I didn't show up earlier then. That's crazy. So this is like the third year of the day. That's crazy.
Dude, I do photography. I know all the memes.
What's your name?
Post them. Liam.
What's good, Liam? Michael. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
These were the flicks from this morning.
Tight shit, brother.
They were doing burnouts. They had the whole road. I'm pretty sure the cops knew about it because if not, there was no way. There was no racing past.
Wait, was Rari's there? Or are they gonna pull up to this one or not?
Nah.
Not no exotics. No exotics tonight. This is calm.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, there was like Lambos, Ferraris, and everything.
Oh really? That's good.
There's two
really?
McLarens out there. They're getting McLarens at the meets now.
I know, which is good. Like I love seeing the McLarens and stuff, bro.
Like I remember when there was a couple cars pulling up every week. When there wasn't very many people.
It's good, bro.
And now 500 people every car meet.
No, it's so deep now. It's crazy. I know, like Colorado got like a deep culture like that. Like it's really coming up. We're building up the ranks.
Cops showing up with
I
Mustang
know,
back
Yeah. Ignore that little feeling in your gut. You know I treat you good.